This is how you build coverage up with your makeup without it being heavy and cakey. Once you have already applied your makeup where it's supposed to go, you can always go back in and apply where you want more specific coverage. This is very important. You don't want your makeup to be heavy, sticky, and cakey. If you want to add a pop of color or brighter under eye, now is the time. Also, detailing your contour would be ideal at this point, or adding more blush. This is where you want to think, do I need to switch my brush? Do I need a denser brush to pick up more product for me? Because the denser the brush, the more product it's going to go ahead and pick up, and then it'll deposit exactly what you're wanting. So using the detail brush or the buff brush in this case to go ahead and get a bolder contour, and then we can flip it and use it for blush as well, is more ideal than caking on makeup in the beginning. That way you get the results that you want, and that's how you go ahead and build your coverage just like a pro.